Grow with Satori has turned 3, and what a beautiful milestone it is. But these aren't just 3 years in business, they are 3 years of rising, of reaching, and of realizing a dream shared by many. These are 3 years of growth where every challenge became a chance to evolve. 3 years of gratitude where every step was guided by purpose and people. 3 years of dreams, bold, brave, and beautifully built together. And as we pause at this remarkable milestone, our hearts are full. What once lived quietly as a vision has now unfolded into a journey powered by passion and fueled by perseverance. And most importantly, we did this together. We knew from the very beginning this path won't be simple. But what carried us forward was a clear vision and a quiet determination to bring it to life. Today, 3 years in, it's that steady belief and your faith in us that has shaped this journey. Thank you for walking beside us, for choosing to grow with us, and for making this dream your dream too. Our client base is growing by leaps and bounds, a reflection not just of our work, but the relationships we have built and the impact we have been trusted to create. To every organization that chose to believe in us, thank you. Thank you for inviting us into your world, for letting us be a part of your growth. You are the reason we do what we do, with all our heart, with purpose, and with pride. What you see here is a glimpse of the incredible partners who have made this journey so meaningful. What truly fills our hearts are the stories people carry with them after working with us. Little moments of clarity, big shifts in perspective, and journeys made lighter together. We call it the Satori effect. And here's what it looks like through their eyes and with their smiles. Of course, Grow with Satori isn't just a name, it's people. The smiles, the late nights, the laughter, the unwavering belief behind every success you just witnessed. As they say, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. We are proud to be a 12-member strong team, each one bringing their whole heart, their unique brilliance, and their shared purpose to this dream. And do you know, when 12 hearts work with intention, the ripples travel far. Each post, each video, each connection, crafted with care and backed with purpose. From 350 plus curious minds on Instagram to over 3,000 professionals working with us on LinkedIn, 958 of them joining just in the past year, and 425 plus subscribers on YouTube, where our ideas have sparked over 13,000 views in just 365 days. These aren't just numbers and matrices. They are moments of shared learning, moments of connections sparked, and trust that we earned. Behind every milestone, every message, every meaningful connection lies a compass. A set values that guide not just what we do, but how we show up every single day. We call it GRICE: growth, respect, integrity, collaboration, and excellence. It's the language we speak as a team, the promise we keep to our clients, and the foundation that turns our work into something truly human and something truly lasting. But why walk this path with Grow with Satori, you ask? Because here expertise isn't just knowledge, it's the art of truly understanding and transforming lives. Because every step we take is designed to bring real change, the change that you can feel, see, and celebrate. Over these lovely years, we have had the joy of creating programs that touch every corner of growth and connection. From nurturing leaders to weaving inclusion, diversity, and culture into the fabric of organizations. From personal breakthroughs to mastering the art of communication and influence. From coaching journeys to mentorship moments and building teams that truly thrive together. Each topic, a chapter in the story we are writing. One filled with purpose, passion, and possibility. And here's something we want you to know. Every movement begins with a moment, a quiet nudge from within that refuses to be ignored. For Shanti Sharma, that moment came after 24 remarkable years in the corporate world. The years filled with success, milestones, and meaningful work. But beneath it all, a deeper question stirred her spirit. How can workplaces truly support people? What would it take to build spaces where people don't just perform, they truly flourish? She realized that real change couldn't be contained within the walls of a single organization. And there comes a time when you stop asking for permission to create impact and simply begin. And so, with courage in her heart and clarity in her purpose, she took the leap of faith. Believing in her motto to help the organizations grow and develop people became her purpose of life. With that conviction, Grow with Satori was born. A platform grounded in growth, self discovery, and audacious belief that people are capable of far more than what they know. As Maya Angelou once said, when you learn, teach. When you get, give. The spirit fuels every workshop, every breakthrough, every human connection at Grow with Satori. Through her journey, Shanti has empowered countless individuals, leaders, and teams to break through barriers and rise. Shanti is also the author of Women Mavericks, a book that celebrates not just her own leap, but the power of purpose led living. Today, Grow with Satori stands as a living testament to her vision to create workplaces and communities that rise on the strength of collaboration, respect, and shared growth. Because, in her words, the real journey is inward. Once you grow within, everything around you begins to transform. Creativity runs deep into our team, right down to the roots. Meet our dynamic mother and daughter duo, founder Shanti Sharma and her daughter Nandini Sharma, a talented illustrator. Together, they imagined, designed, and brought to life an extraordinary game they call Dig of Discovery. This isn't just a board game, it sparked a meaningful connection. Whether you are playing it with your family or your friends or your colleagues, Dig of Discovery invites you to uncover the stories, memories, and dreams that often stay hidden in everyday rush. It's about seeing the real people around you, beyond the job titles, beyond the addresses. to discover what they really care about, what really inspires them, and what truly makes them tick. Curious to try it out? Head over to our stall in the hall and just look for Nandini. And who's right there waving at you? We built our base with care and grace, with systems strong in every space. From MS teams that helps us stay in flow to Zoho campaigns that helps you know the news, the steps, and each timely cue so no one's lost in all that's new. Our values guide both voice and choice, and every teammate has a voice. Posh that safeguards our women and men with dignity, respect again and again. On a single page, our strategy clear, reminding us of why we are here. Across cities, screens, and working hours, we bloom with trust like scattered flowers. From homes afar, across quiet zones, we work as one through chats and tones. With systems set and trust held tight, every remote we get it right. In all we do, both big and small, we walk our values one and all. With every step, we choose what's right, led by purpose, fueled by light. Thank you.